Today, we're diving deep into the world of personal finance, exploring strategies and techniques to pave the way for long-term financial prosperity. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just beginning your journey toward financial independence, this video is packed with actionable advice to help you achieve your goals. So, grab your favorite beverage, settle in, and let's get started on this journey to financial empowerment. Segment 1. Building a strong financial foundation. Let's kick things off by discussing the importance of building a solid financial foundation. Budgeting is the bedrock of financial success, empowering you to take control of your spending, prioritize your expenses, and allocate resources toward your most important goals. But budgeting is just the beginning. We'll also delve into the significance of establishing an emergency fund, a financial safety net that provides peace of mind and protection against life's unexpected twists and turns. With an emergency fund in place, you'll be better equipped to weather financial storms without derailing your long-term plans. Of course, no discussion of financial stability would be complete without addressing the issue of debt. We'll explore strategies for managing and ultimately eliminating debt, including the snowball and avalanche methods, debt consolidation, and renegotiating terms with creditors. By taking proactive steps to reduce debt, you'll free up resources to accelerate your journey toward financial freedom. Segment 2. Investing for the future. With a solid financial foundation established, it's time to turn our attention to the exciting world of investing. Investing is the engine that drives wealth creation, allowing your money to grow and multiply over time. We'll discuss various investment vehicles, from traditional stocks and bonds to alternative assets like real estate and commodities, and explore strategies for constructing a well-diversified portfolio that aligns with your risk tolerance and financial objectives. But investing isn't just about picking the right assets, it's also about adopting the right mindset. We'll discuss the importance of discipline, patience, and a long-term perspective when it comes to investing, as well as the dangers of succumbing to market hype, chasing short-term gains, and allowing emotions to dictate investment decisions. Additionally, we'll delve into the critical topic of retirement planning. Whether you're decades away from retirement or approaching the golden years, it's never too early or too late to start planning for your financial future. We'll explore strategies for maximizing contributions to tax-advantaged retirement accounts, estimating your future retirement needs, and creating a personalized retirement savings plan that ensures a comfortable and secure lifestyle in your golden years. Segment 3. Smart spending habits. Finally, we'll wrap up our discussion with a focus on smart spending habits. While earning more money is certainly one path to financial success, controlling expenses and living within your means are equally, if not more, important. We'll discuss strategies for distinguishing between needs and wants, prioritizing spending on experiences and investments that bring lasting joy and fulfillment, and avoiding the pitfalls of lifestyle inflation that can derail your financial progress. We'll also share practical tips for becoming a savvy consumer, including comparison shopping, leveraging discounts and rewards programs, and negotiating for better deals on everything from groceries to utility bills. By adopting a frugal mindset and making conscious choices with your money, you'll be able to stretch your dollars further and achieve your financial goals more quickly. By implementing the strategies and techniques discussed in this video, you'll be well on your way to mastering your finances and building a secure and prosperous future for yourself and your loved ones. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe.